Make sure you're getting your fair share as a wedding photographer. Wedding photographers charge an average of $1,700 in the US, with most couples spending between $1,000 to $2,500. Consider time. A typical day is 6 to 8 hours, so charge a day rate or more for additional hours. Travel. Will you need to charge for travel, accommodations, and other related costs? The package. Account for your time shooting, editing, and delivering the final products. Extras. 38% of wedding photographers offer extras such as drone footage, film, extra DVDs, or USB drives at additional costs. Additional shoots. You may want to offer an engagement shoot at an extra cost, considering that 62% of couples do a pre-wedding engagement shoot. Costs also vary by zip code, so do your research to see what others are charging in your area to remain competitive and attractive to potential new customers.